Hey guys, Mrs. Kaufman here. How are you this afternoon? I'd like you to go ahead and find the answers to all of these questions, please. There's your answers. How are symbols such as less than, greater than, and equal to useful? Today we're going to learn to write an equation to represent a function and to graph linear functions. So what is a linear function? Okay, we're going to write an equation to represent the function shown in the table. Okay, so here's our function. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 9. Okay, and we're just adding 9 to each one. The value of y is equal to 9 times the value of x. So the equation that represents the function is y equals 9x. Okay, so the answer y is equal to 9x. Okay, we're going to write an equation to represent the function shown in this table. Oh goodness. I think I hit repeat. So you can see that again. Okay, so now we need to graph this. Y equals 2x. So you're going to make a table of ordered pairs. So you select any three values for x that you want and substitute those values for x to find y. Okay? I know that's kind of confusing. Don't let it throw you off too much. Just kind of follow through the sample and walk yourself through it. Okay, so we've got for for x rather, we've got 0, 1, and 2 as our values. So 2 times 0 is 0, and you'll see that as y. Okay, and then 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So then we take our x and our y, and we make them x and y like coordinates. And then I want you to draw or graph each ordered pair and draw a line through each point. Okay, so that's what a linear function is. It's kind of like a line, linear being a word for line. Okay, Martino constructed the graph shown, which shows the height of his cactus after several years of growth. So make a function table for the input and output values. The three input values are 1, 2, and 3. Do you see where on the graph here, this is over 1 and up, and this is over 2 and up, and over 3 and up. So our input values are x, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the corresponding output values are 42, 44, and 46 because we're reading the graph. Right? Over 1, up 42. Over 2, up 44. Over 3, up 46. So our input is the x and our output is the y. Martino constructed the graph shown, which shows the height of his cactus after several years of growth. Write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the height y of the cactus after x years. Okay, since the output values increase by 2, the equation includes 2x. Each output value is 40 more than twice the input, so the equation is y equals 2x plus 40. Molina constructed the graph at the right to show the cost to rent a canoe after several hours. Write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the cost y to rent a canoe after x hours. So for 1 hour, it's 25. For 2 hours, it's 30. And for 4 hours, it's 35. Y equals 5x plus 20. So we're still kind of doing what we did today in class, but now we're solving for what's called y. And so our answer that we're getting becomes our y value. How did what you learned today help you answer this essential question? Here's your ticket out the door. Describe the procedures you would use to graph y equals 2x plus 3. And then go ahead and complete your whisk. Thanks, guys. Have a good afternoon.